Everyone, this is me P. Vishnuvardhan Raju from second year MTC, studying at college Kotagiri Sitama Memorial, popularly known as KSM Junior College, Tallada from Khammam district, Telangana state. As a part of electrician competition, held at college level by USCON, I offered myself as a candidate, and I proud to participate in it on the topic sustainable management of soil, air, soil, water. Sustainability means using natural resources in a responsible way that they are available for future generations. Among these resources, soil, water, air, these fundamental resources are source of life on earth. These resources are under increasing pressure due to human usage. Maintaining sustainable management is more important than ever. Air is an essential component that supports life on earth. However, rapid industrialization, excessive vehicle usage, and burning of fossil fuel are related to several air pollutions. Air pollutions are affect human health, reduces visibility, and contribute to global climate change. To ensure the air quality, it is necessary to promote renewable energy, reduce emission, and follow the strict pollution control norms. Clean and fresh air is foundation of the healthy society. What is often called blue gold of the planet, despite covering most of the Earth's surface, despite only a small percentage fit for human health. Now these resources are under increasing pressure by the sustainable management of the soil, of the water and the air, by power of the water, and the soil is priceless resource that provide material, that provide growth in plant and provide raw material for the industries, and soil polluted by deforestation and over usage of chemical fertilizers, and the conservation of the soil by the increasing of fertilizer by crop rotation, forestation, and organic farming. These are the steps of the soil and water and air to consume and to use as in a proper way. In conclusion, our government and individual communities have to be built several and took the both ecological balance and human welfare by the maintaining good and neat resources for the society.